Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. If it's your first time joining us today, please make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below. Guys, I come with sad news. You know, it might be sad for others, but for others it's not sad news. Kodwa ke sana Siyacela Dlamuka, who is Thando Dlamuka's husband, has been involved in another car accident. You know, he has been involved in a car accident before. He has been involved in a burning car situation before. He has been wanting to turn his father's church into a tavern. Kuningi nje ngosiyacala kuningi, you know, and a lot of people are arguing ukuthi they are just making this up to promote the show. They are acting this up just to promote the show. I really don't know. Guys, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Please let me know. Do you see how badly this car is damaged? Do you guys think Bele they are doing this for the show? You can even see the blood. Guningi, but we still don't know his condition for now. Like, you know, did he break something? Did he do what? But all we know is that he was involved in a car accident. As you can see, this picture was posted by him on WhatsApp statuses. So let's just pray for him, guys. Asimekeni emkhulekweni siyacela, asimekeni emkhulekweni. Guy doesn't want to change, like, you know. I don't know. We don't know if maybe it was his fault or the other driver's fault. We don't know the details for now. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you on my next one.